Are you intrigued by the world of drones but unsure where to start? Finding the right beginner drone can be overwhelming given the myriad options available today. Whether you want to capture stunning aerial photography, explore the skies, or simply have fun, choosing a user-friendly model is essential. In this video, we'll guide you through the best drones for beginners, highlighting key features, ease of use, and affordability. Let's take your first step into the exciting realm of drone flying. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Force1 F100GP drone. If you're seeking a versatile drone experience, the Force1 F100GP delivers exceptional customization options that set it apart from many competitors. One standout feature is the ability to detach the 1080p HD camera, allowing you to fly the drone without it for a different aerial experience. For those looking for professional-grade footage, the drone's design also accommodates a GoPro Hero, unlocking higher quality video capture. You'll appreciate the included 2-color shells, giving you the chance to modify the drone's appearance to match your personal style or mood. Coupled with an easy-to-use controller that offers 2 distinct speed settings, you can navigate your surroundings with confidence. Extended flight time is another highlight, as the Force1 F100GP comes with 2 15-minute batteries, providing you with more airborne enjoyment compared to other models in the same price range. This means more time for exploration and fun without frequent interruptions. While this drone may be somewhat susceptible to damage during crashes, rest assured that it comes equipped with protective accessories such as spare landing gear, propellers, and propeller guards. A small screwdriver and wrench are also included for any adjustments you might need to make. In essence, the Force1 F100GP is designed with you in mind, making it a fantastic choice for both novice and experienced pilots eager to explore the skies with freedom and creativity. At number 4, Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone. If you're seeking an agile and compact drone that doesn't break the bank, the Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone is an excellent choice. Leveraging technology from DJI, this drone delivers quality and reliability in a small package, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Flying the Tello is a breeze, giving you the freedom to easily navigate your surroundings. Whether you're outdoors braving light gusts of wind at the fast setting or practicing your techniques indoors with the slow setting, you'll find it offers great maneuverability and control. One of the standout features of the Tello is its ability to hover in one spot, allowing you to capture stunning shots without worry. However, keep in mind that its altitude-holding sensors require good lighting to function effectively. Dimly lit rooms can pose a challenge, and nighttime flying is not advisable. When it comes to photography, the Tello doesn't disappoint. With its 720p HD camera, you can capture quality footage that is ideal for honing your aerial photography skills. While it may not match professional-grade equipment, it offers a fantastic way to start your journey into drone photography. In summary, the Ryze Tech Tello Mini Drone provides a blend of user-friendly features and solid performance. It's an excellent gateway into the world of drones, ensuring that you can enjoy the thrill of flying while developing new skills along the way. Number 3, we have the FIMI X8SEV V2, Foldable 4K camera drone. If you are looking for a reliable and budget-friendly drone option, the FIMI X8SE V2 offers a compelling alternative to the more expensive DJI models. With features that rival those of the DJI Mini 3 you can enjoy exceptional 4K Ultra HD video recording at 30 frames per second, or opt for smooth 2.7K footage at 60 frames per second, all without breaking the bank. One of the standout aspects of the X8SE is its durability. Designed to withstand winds of up to 46 miles per hour, this drone is perfect for those adventurous moments in varying weather conditions. Its robust construction ensures that you can focus on capturing stunning aerial shots without worrying about flying in less than ideal circumstances. The adaptable controller enhances your flying experience, easily connecting to your smartphone for intuitive piloting. This means you can enjoy a direct view of your flight, simplifying navigation. Additionally, the X8SE is equipped with crucial safety features, including a return home mode that guarantees your drone's safe return in case of issues, as well as no-fly zone protection to keep you compliant with regulations. Finally, a down camera helps ensure precision when landing, allowing you to navigate tricky spots with confidence. Whether you are a hobbyist or looking to capture professional quality visuals, the FIMI X8SE V2 equips you with the tools to elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. At number 2, Potensic ATOM SE GPS Drone. If you're considering a new drone, the Potensic ATOM SE GPS drone deserves your attention. Positioned as a strong competitor to DJI's Mini2SE, the ATOM SE stands out with features that cater to both beginners and experienced users without overwhelming newcomers. With the ATOM SE, you'll benefit from practical additions such as a dedicated carrying case and an extra battery, extending your total flight time to approximately 1 hour, ideal for extended outdoor excursions when you need a bit more than just a quick flight. Equipped with a 4K HD camera and advanced stabilization technology, this drone ensures that your 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second are captured with striking clarity, making your adventures memorable. The user-friendly control system offers 3 distinct modes: video, normal, and sport, allowing you to choose the best setting for any situation. Whether you're soaring through the skies or capturing breathtaking landscapes, the ATOM SE is designed to enhance your experience. Safety is also a priority with this model. A GPS-assisted return home feature automatically guides the drone back to your location in case of an emergency. This peace of mind means you can focus on enjoying your flight rather than worrying about losing your drone. Whether you're new to the world of drones or looking to upgrade, the Potensic ATOM SE offers a blend of functionality, safety, and impressive capabilities, all while keeping things accessible. Start your aerial adventures with confidence and creativity today. And finally, the number 1 of our list, DJI Mini2SE Lightweight Mini Drone. If you're seeking a lightweight and user-friendly drone, the DJI Mini2SE stands out as an excellent choice. This compact device easily fits in the palm of your hand and folds up for convenient storage, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Weighing just 0.53 pounds, it bypasses the need for registration, offering you hassle-free usability right out of the box. Equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, the Mini2SE captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, along with a 4x digital zoom for those moments when you want to get closer to the action without sacrificing quality. Users often praise the quality of the footage, highlighting how its impressive camera performance truly elevates their aerial photography and videography experiences. While some may consider it an older model, enthusiasts on platforms like Reddit and YouTube consistently advocate for its continued relevance in today's market. They emphasize its reliability, ease of operation, and feature-rich setup, all of which make the DJI Mini2SE a favorite among both new and experienced drone pilots. Whether you're looking to document your travels, capture breathtaking landscapes, or simply enjoy flying, the DJI Mini2SE delivers on all fronts. With its thoughtful design and robust capabilities, this drone is not just a gadget, it's an invaluable tool that can enhance the way you connect with your surroundings. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which drone for beginners you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.